we have our H formed on this side and on that side. Our lift is in the middle. So our next project is going to be removing the package bolts from here, and then we're going to use that genie to put under here, raise the track up, set it on the lip of this cross arm, and put in our bolts. Very simple to do. Now we've taken off the package bolts at the end of the crate. Now we're ready to lift this up. Again, I'm using the material handle lift to raise that track, but you might be using an engine hoist. If you're using an engine hoist like that there, then you're going to want to use a strap. And the strap would go around the track like so, and then hook your engine hoist to it and pick it up with the engine hoist. What we're doing now is just setting the lip on top of the cross arm. Are we good there? What we're going to start with first, we have 3 bags of bolts. We want to start with kit 1. Kit 1 is going to be a lot of our runway bolts. So we're going to use these bolts here, these 1/2-inch bolts, that's going to attach the cross arm to the track. I wanted to give you a shot of how this is going to work. This is called our ramp clip. It's going to be inserted on the outside here, but I want to show you how this bolt's going to work. We have a 1/2-inch bolt, and then this is going to go up against the inside of the runway. Then you're going to have a flat washer that's going to be on the outside of the cross arm, the thin nut for spacing, then you're going to have the lock washer and the nut on the outside. And insert the bolt into its space there. At this point, you see we've put in the 1/2-inch bolt, we have a flat washer, and then we have the skinny nut. Now at this time, I don't want to tighten this up on either one. We're just putting it on here, and we're going to do the other side. We want to leave this loose so when we put the bottom track up here, we have room for it to fit between. And then we'll come back and put on the ramp clips and tighten all this up. All the packing bolts that Jay is undoing can be discarded. You don't need to keep it and reuse it for anything. Okay, we clear? Yeah. Oh, we got to tilt it a little bit more. Come on. Yeah, we're good here.
To help align the holes up for your bolts, instead of pushing back and forth and trying to get lucky, just get yourself an awl. Put it in, we'll go around, that lines everything up. Everything should be good.
All right, now we're ready to put on our ramp clip on the end of this track. So first thing we're going to do is start with our bolts. We're going to put them through like so. Then you're going to have a flat washer. Then you've got your skinny nut for spacing. And then you want to use a 3/4 inch. You can either use a ratchet and a socket. We happen to have a ratchet box end. So now we're going to go ahead and tighten this down. And then you're going to put on your ramp clip, lock washer, and your nut. And that gives you your ramp clip, then will fit on the outside. We'll tighten this up on both ends, get this all ready to go. There we go. Ramp clip, lock, in the thicker nuts. Just like so. And this end's done. We'll go and do the same thing to the other side.